In today's video, I am going to teach one advanced backwarding practice, which is the variation of the Anjane Asan. I will use block, belt, and the chair to teach all the variations for the beginners, intermediate, and the advanced practitioner. So let's come on the mat. Okay, so everyone here will start the next practice. We have chair vertebra stretch to lengthen your complete everyone's spine. Okay, and we are doing this practice. For that, let's everyone shift first your body. We all are going inside. If you are closer to the wall, that's fine. If you are not closer to the wall, it's okay. You can go still there. Complete आप अपनी neck को पीछे की तरफ करोगे. You will start with the first cervical region. The side to side turn किया. The hands back. Okay. We'll start everyone the movement first. Up and down with the hips. 1. And gradually we have to come out of the chairs. 2. 3. ओके जितना आप अप एंड डाउन मूवमेंट करना शुरू करोगे ग्रेजुअली आपके जो हिप्स डाउन जाना शुरू होंगे whenever you feel your spine is come at the everyone center part of this the thoracic region you will catch the center pole after catching your center pole आपको just exhalation करते hips down करना है neck out you will see some deep stretches here inhale up exhale down and you are making butterfly you all can see while making butterfly your movement is going down and inside जो कि आपको deep upper back opening करने में help करने वाला है okay after finishing this entire practice you just release come down breathe in hands up exhale to make forward okay this is the complete ending of your chair vertebra stretch ये आपके बैक मसल्स को रिलैक्स करने में भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल. Let's watch me everyone for the next practice. For again for the upper back opening. This is completely active stretch. Okay, so for here I'm using everyone chair and the pole is facing to mine. Okay, everybody while doing this practice हम इन दोनों legs को ऊपर की तरफ push करेंगे right? Like how? First everyone taking positions. Come on the knees using this pole and your palm should be completely closed. It's not much wider. Okay, it should be closer. And from here let's breathe in. Breathe out, you all are going down. Okay, after that start pushing everyone this chair and you are just bringing your heels closer to the hips. Let's breathe in, breathe out, we are going proper down. Okay, and just exhalation to push and just you are lifting your heels up, bringing closer to the hips. Again breathe in like a cat spine, exhale to we are going down to make an intense hold. Okay, if your chair will be at the ground, what mistake will be there? While going for the deep stretches, आप अपनी elbow को bend कर दोगे. At the same way, if I am just going to lift and just pushing this chair, okay, that time you all can see my elbow is going to completely straight. You can see this, the arch is going to be so deep, right? In that way you will start and will make static hold also. We are looking at the front at the floor and just with the inhalation coming back. This is your cat spine to hold. Everyone, for the next practice, we are using 2 blocks and 1 belt. So now here, first your belt should, this block everyone you have to fix in this horizontal positions and there will be, now everyone, this 2 feet distance now away from the chair. Just come on the knees first, okay? This chair we have to just everyone shift ahead. The front leg is coming everyone this 90 degree. आपको अपने लेग से आगे आना है 90 डिग्री पोजीशन में and the one leg complete you have to flat. Okay, this is my right leg which is 90 degree, left leg complete straight है and 2 is pointing back. Everyone, as I told to you, using the belt, you just need to fix this belt in your palm. We all have this adjustable clip. Fix करना है, tightly catch करना है. Now from here with the other hand just 2 feet along everyone you have to just make a distance here. From here first we'll start pumping. In the second we have this one extra block, हम उसको थोड़ा out करेंगे. You are going to place your palm on this block and then turning and we are going back. Okay, and just inhalation will be coming up. Chair use करते हुए chair को आगे की तरफ push करेंगे. Front leg will be straight and we are going to lengthen and straight at spine. Second round once again, बेंडिंग ऑफ दिस नी, दिस इज माई राइट लेग एंड दिस इज द राइट हैंड, दोनों एक साइड में हैं एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग विद द साइड. फ्रॉम हियर to I am going back and I can catch this very tightly proper to the stretch. Inhale coming up and I'm just going to everyone push your chair out. जैसे आप अपने हिप्स को पीछे करोगे एंड अपने चेयर से आगे की तरफ पुश करोगे, यू कैन सी टू लेंथन योर स्पाइन. And from here to we can go everyone forward also. Okay, in the next practice everyone will start with a wall. Okay, I'm using the 3 blocks. अगर आपके पास 2 blocks here, which is also the fine. The first you are please fixing everyone the 1 block now. It should be everyone now. This there will be half a distance between the wall and the block. The first position everyone, you are going to fix your knee on this block. Toe is everyone going back on the wall, and the front leg should be everyone 90-degree here. Okay, what practice we have first? We have to just interlock the fingers. We'll start pumping. This is everyone your practice 1, where we'll start the pumping of the hips. Now in the second practice, we need to everyone start sliding now. As I'm using 2 blocks in my hands, the front leg is going to completely straight. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm going to slide it out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then we'll make a static hold here. And in the third practice, we have to just bend again this everyone leg for 90-degree. Okay, and just straight करते हुए आपको पीछे जाना है. We'll go everybody on the wall in the practice third. Okay, from here we'll start everyone bending the knee and going to straight the elbow, and you can walk down. Inhale up, exhale to everyone down. When you're going to straight your knee, elbow bend होगी. Okay, जब हम अपनी elbow को bend करेंगे, हमारा knee straight होना शुरू होगा, and after that we'll make a static hold, and then we are going for the relaxation. This is everyone your half monkey forward. So here we'll do the 3 practice, the group of practice. First one के अंदर pumping, second one के अंदर आपको sliding करना है, and third one you have to just go for the deep back bending practice, where you are using your hands and the palms on the wall. Okay, you're going to straight your elbow, bending of the knee. जैसे आप अपने knee and leg को straight करते हैं, that time आपके elbows this wall के ऊपर bend होना शुरू होगी. The next everyone जो आपने अभी practice किया है, the final one practice, where you have used both the hands and the one leg was back. Okay, for the beginners, which was the last one. Okay, वो आपका last static posture वही था of the Anjani Asana variations. The next practice we are moving, जहाँ पे आप एक hand के support के साथ उस practice को करेंगे. The previous one was the beginner. Now this is going to be the second for intermediate, and we have the next one more practice for the advanced, जो कि हम last में करेंगे. So everybody, those who are the for the beginner practitioners, we'll be using 1 block. Okay, now 1 block is here. Second block कुछ space के साथ place करना. Okay, so मैंने दोनों blocks को place कर दिया. There will be again everyone half feet distance between the wall and the blocks. Now from here, everyone, the one leg you have to place to the back on the block. This is everyone. Just place, fix it now to the center. Front leg is going to be the 90-degree here. Okay, आफ्टर दैट एवरीवन जस्ट एज अ टोल्ड कि मैं एक बैट यूज करने वाला हूँ. तो बैट की कंडीशन क्या रहने वाली है, मुझे एक बार ये अपने लेग को स्विच करना पड़ेगा टू शो यू द प्रैक्टिस. ओके, सो दिस वे द बैक लेग इज देयर, toe is pointing everyone back on the wall, front leg proper 90-degree. Now from here everybody, जो मेरा लेग पीछे की तरफ है, which is everyone my left leg. Okay, मैंने लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड किया है और विद द राइट हैंड, ओके, मैंने एक छोटा सा लूप बनाया बेल्ट के अंदर और मैंने उस लूप को फिक्स कर दिया. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर, जो आपका हैंड जो उसको सपोर्ट कर रहा था, ओके, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच करना इस तरीके से. जो हैंड आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा था, दूसरी तरफ जो ब्लॉक है उसका हम सपोर्ट लेते हुए हैंड को प्लेस किया. टर्न योर चेस्ट आउट. वी आर गोइंग टू टच अगेन दिस टू ऑन द वॉल and we are holding here looking up. Got it everyone, this practice? And just breathe in, come out of the practice to relax for the forward. Simple. Step 1 के अंदर front leg 90 degree, पीछे वाला लेग है जो वॉल से टच है। सेकंड स्टेप, आप अपने हैंड से इस हिल को क्लोज लेके आओगे। अगर आप अपने हिप से ऊपर जाओगे, रोटेशन करना डिफिकल्ट होगा। योर हिप शुड बी एवरीवन डाउन एंड heel is coming closer to the hip. Now with the belt, I'm just going to put everyone on the toe reason. Okay, जो हैंड मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहा था मैंने इसको प्लेस किया है on the block. I'm just going to rotate my hand, this shoulder, and then look up, and we are holding here. Let's breathe in and out for this practice. Just inhalations coming up, exhale to make forward. Okay, so now we are going for everyone the final practice of the day, which is your Anjani Asana, complete advanced practice and active back bending practice. So where we are using everyone two blocks, which is in the horizontal position. दोनों ही close है, उसके बीच में ज़्यादा distance नहीं है, right? Almost closer. Now from here everyone, you have to come here first for the table position, क्योंकि हम practice को center में try कर रहे हैं. Now from here, we'll be moving first here for downward dog, to moving for the three-legged dog, bending of the knee, step out of the hand everyone here. You all have to fix now the knee. अपने knee को block के ऊपर fix करो, and toe is going to flat now proper. This is everyone. Step 1 you have to fix. Step 2 you have to bend everyone this leg and just bring now this heel closer to the hip. और आपको hip को पीछे नहीं करना है. This is the one common mistake you need to avoid in this advanced back bending. इसको नीचे करना है, so your rotation of the shoulder become easier. Okay, this is the step 2. Step 3, this is everyone my left leg. With the right hand you need to catch from here, and the hand which is to the back you have to place direct on the block. Just rotate from here. We are going for the back arch. Look up for the ceiling side. Breathe, smile and hold. Okay, we'll maintain for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please remember from here, it should be completely straight to the back. इसको क्या करना है, इसको क्लोज नहीं करना है. It is going to be complete open. What is the common mistake is here, अगर मैं अपने हिप को पीछे रखूंगा इस तरीके से, तो it is difficult to thread now. जैसे हिप नीचे जाएगा, it's become easier to rotate. The same way we can use with the belt also. वापस आना है आसन से, just drop your leg to the back, breathe in, come up, front leg straight, half monkey forward. The same practice how you can start with the belt. Please remember, whenever you go with the belt the practice, with the belt of your practice, please remember वहाँ पे आपको body को balance करना होता है. Whenever I catch my hand direct with the leg, body stable होती है. If I using the belt, that time you take the wall support, वो best version है. If you are not going with the belt, the wall support, if you wish to try with the belt your practice, let's try it out now कि आप कितना अपनी बॉडी को कंट्रोल एंड बैलेंस करते हैं, विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, अगेन डाउनवर्ड डॉग, थ्री लेगेड डॉग. ओके, नाउ स्टेप आउट, और आप सेंटर से भी कर सकते हो. जस्ट हमें अपनी पोजिशन को फिक्स करना है. प्लेस योर नी, फ्लैट योर टो. दिस इज अ स्टेप 1. स्टेप 2, बेंडिंग ऑफ द नी, हिप शुड बी डाउन. स्टेप 3, to fix your belt. Now from here to here, this is going back. Place your palm. In the next step, we'll start the rotation and just open your leg to the back. Look up for the sitting side and we'll be holding. Smile, breathe and hold. Just relax, make forward, go down. Okay, this is very very important कि whenever you do the back bending practice, you have to be very very calm. अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को टेंस करना शुरू करोगे, फिर स्टार्ट नो कि ब्रीथलेसनेस हो रहा है, अगर वो ज़्यादा थॉट्स लेके आओगे, back bending is going tough. Okay, start now your practice. I hope you enjoy all the practices to open up your upper back, middle back and the lower back. If you wish to join our advanced online yoga classes, तो please आप description check करें, हमने complete detail mention कर रखी है. If you are completely new for our channel, please इसको subscribe जरूर करें, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें ताकि जो भी न्यू वीडियोस हो आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें. थैंक यू सो मच.